Question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to 1 millimeter and obtained data is represented in the following table. So we have the data that 100, the length of leaves in the category or in the class 118 to the 126 mm. We have of this length we have 3 leaves, and similarly for different category of length we have different number of leaves. So the question is, draw the histogram to represent the given data. So in the previous question we used to draw bar graph, but in this we are required to draw histogram. Histogram is drawn for the continuous data, or that in the bar there is a difference that in the bar graph we have a gap between the two bars, that is this gap, but in histogram they are continuous. In this we do not have a continuous data, so what we need to do is to make this data continuous. How can we make this data continuous? That in the first interval the upper class is 126, and in the second interval we have the lower class 127, so the difference is 1. 127 minus 126 is equals to 1, so half of 1 is 0.5. We'll add this 0.5 to the every upper limit and minus 0.5 from the lower limit of each interval. So we'll get our data as, or intervals as, 117.5, 126.5, and similarly here we'll have 126.5, and adding to the 135 is 135.5, and similarly we'll have the data till 171.5 up to 180.5. so according to this value is equals to this value, so it is a continuous data. So now we can draw the histogram. To draw a histogram, is there any suitable graphical representation for the same data? Yes, you can also draw the frequency polygon for this data. In frequency polygon we need to connect the central value of the interval, that is, suppose we have an interval 126.5 to 135.5. so the central value will be addition of these two, that is 135.5 plus 126.5 and whole divided by 2. So the middle value, the center value, will be used to connect these points. So that graph will look like something like this. Suppose this is the frequency polygon of this graph. Is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves are 153 mm long, and why? So from the data we have maximum number of leaves in the interval 145 to 153. so it is, we have interval given 145 to 153, but we do not know what is the maximum number of the leaves with the largest length, so we cannot state that the maximum number of leaves are 153 mm long, because in this interval one length of leaves of 153 mm are not included, so we cannot conclude this statement.